For many families across the metro, today is the first day their students are heading back to school. But this return to the classroom comes as the state's positivity rate continues to climb.
And health systems are sounding the alarm now on their shrinking capacity. Local 5's Mary Sugden joins us with their advice on keeping your students safe in school.
Stephanie and Samantha, the last few weeks are ones that many families spent with their families either traveling or celebrating the holidays. But the Polk County Health Department says those activities come with added risk for COVID-19 exposure, which is why they're urging families to take specific steps in this new semester.
So we anticipate to see a spike in cases, a spike in hospitalizations right now.
Now that the holidays are over, Metro health leaders hold their breath for how it will impact the state's rising COVID-19 positivity, with all three major health systems issuing this joint statement: "Help, we are overwhelmed."
And with all of these schools coming back without mask mandates after the holidays, I can only imagine what it's going to look like.
The Polk County Health Department says pediatric COVID-19 cases are once again rising, now accounting for roughly 30% of local COVID-19 cases.
So it's really important for our kids to be wearing masks, our kids to be social distancing, our kids to be washing their hands. If your child is sick, they need to stay home.
The department says while that may seem obvious to keep infected children at home, it's been a consistent problem throughout the pandemic.
We have seen kiddos been sent to school when they don't have symptoms, which means they're asymptomatic. So they can easily transmit COVID-19 to their classmate, to their teacher, to their faculty or staff at their school.
A ripple effect of infections that could add to an already overwhelmed system of caregivers.
Our hospitals cannot keep doing this. You think about our healthcare workers, and they have been doing this for 2 years. Think about this. We're going on almost 2 years in March. They are tired. They are burnt out. They are overwhelmed.
Now, another big item impacting school districts is the federal vaccination mandate, which requires employers with more than 100 staffers to implement a vaccination policy. Now, those who aren't vaccinated would be subject to some weekly testing. Now, the Supreme Court is taking that up on Friday. Now, school districts I spoke to today say they will be closely following that decision. In the meantime, working to see what their own policy might be. In the studio, Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.
Mary, thank you. Now here's 3 more things you need to know at home. There's currently 16 pediatric COVID hospitalizations in Iowa. So that means those patients are under 17 years old. Now, in addition to the federal worker mandate, on Friday, the Supreme Court will hear challenges to a vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. If you test positive with an at-home test, call your health department or healthcare provider to report it.